In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your opening bank balance in Xero, a crucial step for making sure your financial records are accurate and up to date. Whether you're moving to Xero from another accounting system or just starting out, understanding how to input these balances correctly is essential. Let's begin by navigating through the Xero interface. First, focus your attention on the top bar of the Xero dashboard. Here, you'll see several options, but what we need is the Accounting tab. Click on this, and a menu will pop up with various options for managing your finances. Look for and select the Accounting Settings option from this menu. It's the gateway to handling various detailed configurations and is where you need to go to deal with balances. Once you've entered the accounting settings, the task is to locate and click on Conversion Balances. This section is key because it shows you the initial balances of any bank accounts you've already added into Xero. These initial balances are important for consistency and accuracy in your financial tracking, as they ensure your Xero data accurately reflects your business's financial reality at the point you start using the software. Now, you'll see a table or list of bank accounts. The next thing you want to do is click on Add a new line. This is where you can get specific by selecting the particular bank account for which you want to enter an opening balance. It's crucial to choose the correct one to avoid any confusion or errors later on. After selecting the desired bank account, you're ready to enter the opening balance. This is where precision matters. Input the correct value of your bank account's opening balance under the debit column. This figure is typically what your bank statement shows as the opening balance on the date you started using Xero. Ensuring this number is correct will maintain the integrity of your business's financial data. Finally, once you've verified everything is entered accurately, it's time to click Save. This action will confirm all the changes you've made. Seeing your opening bank balance securely in place is a great initial step in managing your accounting records confidently with Xero. And that's it. Simple, right? Entering these details might seem like a small task, but it forms the foundation for all future financial data in Xero. By following these instructions, you ensure that your financial statements reflect an accurate starting point, providing a reliable basis for reporting and decision-making as you continue to build and grow your business within Xero. Thank you for joining us today, and happy accounting!